Alright, I'm going to attempt to replace the glass on my iPhone SE. Go ahead and start by turning it off. I replace this every couple months, and I just get this off of Amazon. Pretty inexpensive. This one is this brand here. Yeah, I think you get 3 screen protectors, and it's like less than 10 bucks. Comes in a little foam wrap there. I'm just going to use my pocket knife to try to get this started here. Probably should use like a credit card or something, but this one's pretty much broken up, so it's easier to get off. If you don't have many breaks in it, you probably want to get something else. Alright, then I'm just going to wipe that off with my shirt here. Get it a little bit clean. This is my second phone, so I'm not like too worried about perfection here. I just want to get it decently clean. It's about as clean as I'm going to get it. The hardest part's getting it lined up. Just let it do its thing. You end up with a few air bubbles, then you kind of just try to work those out. Push the air bubbles towards the nearest side or nearest hole. And this is a little bit off. It's not perfect. I missed a little bit, but I'm not worried about it. As long as my, see, look at that, I'm off by a couple centimeters, but sometimes you can push it a little bit, but anyway, I'm not perfect at this, but as long as you get it close, you're all right. Some people would probably pull it back up, but I don't want to break it, so. All right, guys, thanks for watching.